For section B, we are then told that section buys a cup of tea, a cup of coffee, and 2 sandwiches. So, the first step we need to do is add them all together to find the total cost. So we know that he bought 2 sandwiches, so that would be £1.35 twice. We know that he bought a cup of tea, and we know that he bought a cup of coffee. So we need to add this together. So we know that 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 0 is 10, plus 5 is 15. We're going to carry the 1 over to the bottom. We know that 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 7 is 13, plus 8 is 21, and plus 1 is 22. Again, we're going to carry the number over to the bottom. We know that 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 0 is 2, plus 2 is 4. So we know that his total cost is £4.25.